Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to return an item Amazon. In order to return an Amazon item, you can go to your order section. So open the Amazon app on your device, log in, then click on the menu bar at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on accounts from the top right. Next, you want to go ahead and click on orders, which is located at the top. Here, you should be able to find the order that you've made. You want to find the item or locate the order containing the items that you want to return. Select the return or replace button or items next to the item, and you want to go ahead and select the specific item you want to return. Then you want to choose a reason for return from the menu. If you need to return a gift, you want to go to the return a gift page instead and decide whether to get a refund onto the Amazon account or to your original payment method. Choose your preferred way to return the item. Options can include a drop-off location like UPS store or a Whole Food such as that. Confirm your prepared two items. And that is how you could return an item. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.